Most women have no idea whether the thing they're doing for their hormones is actually working. They feel a little bit better or they don't, and they're left guessing. Hope is not a metric. I'm Alisa Vitti, 25 years in women's hormonal health. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what to track so you can see your progress instead of guessing at it. Because when you can't measure it, you start arguing with yourself about whether it's working and start watching it work. Here's the trap. You try something new for your cycle. 3 weeks in, you have a hard day and you conclude that it failed. So you quit and you try the next thing. The problem wasn't the protocol, it's that you had no way to see the trend underneath the daily noise. Your hormones move in roughly a 28-day rhythm. You can't judge them on a single day. You judge them across multiple cycles, and for that, you need a few simple markers you can actually track. Here's what I have women track, and none of it requires a lab to start. 1, your PMS load. Rate the week before your period, the cramps, the mood, the bloating on a simple scale each cycle. Watch the number across 3 cycles. The trend is your honest scorecard. The second is your energy by phase. Note where your energy actually shows up. As your cycle gets healthier, your follicular and ovulatory weeks start to feel reliably strong instead of random. 3, your cycle's regularity, length, flow, and how predictable it is. A cycle that's becoming more regular is a cycle that's healing. And when you're ready to go deeper, this is where lab work can come in. Real before and after blood markers taken a few months apart so you can see to the changes that you've created on purpose. That's the difference between thinking you're better and knowing it. This is the part of women's health that's been missing. So much of what's sold to you is built on hope. Try this, maybe you'll feel better. I want you to have the opposite, evidence you can point to. Imagine looking at your own numbers in January, then again in April, and seeing measurable change. That's not a fantasy. That's just what happens when you stop guessing and you start tracking. The easiest way to track every one of these markers is in the app I created called MyFLO. It has a circle icon and it's in the App Store. It's linked in the description. Start logging this cycle and let your own data convince you. Subscribe because measurable beats hopeful every time, and I'll keep showing you how.